Good evening, guys. Okay, friends, now let's start with the session. I think that all of you have gone through the basics of time, speed, distance. First question. A man walking at speed of 6 km per hour notices that a train of length 300 meter. Very basic question. It's subjective one. Write down an answer. Okay, Rajiv. 21, 21, 60. Very basic question, friends. Hardly it should take 30-40 seconds. Ashutosh 21 km per hour. 21, 23 by 4. Please write answer in kilometer per hour. Most of the students they are writing 21. Just check your calculations, check your units. Nivesh, I will tell you right now. Very basic question, but most of the students they are getting it are wrong. 11, 21, 21, 21, 25. See, man walking at a speed of 6 km per hour. What you notice, train of length 300 meter. When a train crosses a man, that means, friends, train is crossing its own length. Now distance is given 300. Distance is given 300. We know we have to find the speed. Distance upon speed is equal to time, as we are aware about the formula. D by S equal to T. So what is the D here? 300. It is meter. Crosses in the same direction. When it is crossing the same direction, when two bodies are moving in same direction, what is the relative speed? It is difference of both the speeds. So let the speed of train is x, speed of man is given 6 km per hour, and what is the time? 20 second. So here unit is second, it is meter. So what you can do, you can convert this into meter per second, multiply by 5 by 18. So now in next step it will be 300 into 18 over 5 into x minus 6 is equal to 20. Now cancel this. 5, 6, 2, 3, 54 is equal to x minus 6. So x will be, friend, 60 km per hour. Those students who have given the answer 60 is the right answer. Varun, answer 48 then possible if it is moving in the opposite direction. Then answer should be 48. Okay, not 63, 18. Very basic question of time, speed, distance, and most of the students they are getting it wrong. Now all of you have understood. Answer is 60 km per hour. Distance by speed is time, and we have to see the units. This is 300 meter, this is 20 second, and this is kilometer per hour. So answer is 60. Now move to next question. Just read it. I will give you 2 minutes for this. Very important question as a paper point of view. Bloodhound Jack is chasing a cat. Tom is very nimble and takes 6 paces for every 5 paces. So Shagar has come with the answer. Now answer is 50s, 60s. 2 answers are coming. Yeah, Simon, this is question for second. Nivesh, none of these. 60. Most of the student 50, 60. 50, 60. Simply again question of relative speed. When two bodies are moving in same direction, friends, when we are doing workshop, then it is understood that you have done all the basics. Now should I solve, friend? Those who are not able to solve? Okay, 50-50. Now see, Jack is chasing a cat. Tom is very nimble and takes 6 paces for every 5 paces that Jack takes. Jack and Tom. Jack take 5 paces, Tom takes 6 paces. But again, Jack pace is 3.5 feet long. That means in one pace, Jack is covering 3.5 feet. So Tom is covering 2.5 feet. Now question is, how many paces will Jack have to take before it catches Tom? In 5 paces, Jack will cover 5 into 3.5. 5 into, friend, 3.5, it will be 17.5 feet. 6 into 2.5, Tom will cover, friend, 15 feet. All these things, friends, you can do orally. But for our convenience, what we are doing, we are writing it. That means now Jack is gaining 2.5 feet over Tom in 5 paces. So now Tom is 25 feet ahead of Jack. So distance is 25. What is distance, friend? 25. What are the relative speeds? 17.5 minus 15, which is 2.5. So distance upon speed is time. That means, and time can be in any units. So time is 10. So question is, how many paces will Jack have to take? So in 10, this time Jack will take 10 into 5, 50 leaps, or you can say 50 pace. And if asking about Tom, then it should be 10 into 6, 60. Is it clear to everyone? Because question is, how many paces will Jack have to take? So Jack will take 50. In this time, 10 time, he will take 10 into 5, 50 pace. Clear friends? If asking about Tom, then 10 into 6. Those who have written as a 60 answer, they have taken it as a Tom. Now next question is very important question. You have 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Just solve it. Car A starts from X toward Y at 11, while car B starts on Y at 18. Just make equations. Then I will tell you shortcut of this question. Straight away you can do. But right now you should know process also. Car A starts from X. Ishan has come with the answer at 420. Okay, now let's see Ishan. Most students should also come with the answers. Shubham 420, Aditya D option 4. Shikha not able to solve. Shikha D. 6-7 students have already come with the answer as a 4th option. So those who have given answer as a 4, do anybody know the shortcut of this question straight away by reading how you can solve? Or all fair? No. Right now first of all just see how to make equation, because these equations can be once square root of 128 into Okay, now let's see. Car A starts from X toward Y. Now these are distance X and Y. While this is car A, and from here car B. And while it is starting at 11, and this is starting at 18. Both these vehicles cross each other exactly at 2:20 p.m. Suppose they are crossing here. It is 2:20 p.m. and these respective ends, after crossing they take same time. Now let's take this as a distance as a and this as a B. Now here it is given from 11 to 2:20. How much time is there? 3 hours 20 minutes. 11 to 2:20, it is 3 hours 20 minutes. That is 200 minutes. And from 18 to 2:20, how many? 72 minutes. 18 p.m. to 2:20 p.m. Now when car A covered A, speed of car A is equal to distance A upon 200. Distance by time is speed. Speed of car B is B upon 72. Is it clear to everyone? After this point, when they are meeting at this point, then the car A has to cover the distance B with the speed of A upon 200. Distance upon speed is time. In this time, the car B has to cover distance A upon with the speed of B by 72. And when you solve this, friend, it will be 200 B upon A is equal to 72 A upon B, and it is equal to B square by A square is equal to 72 upon 200, which will be 36 upon 100, which will be 6 by 10, or you can say 3 by 5. This is value of B by A. Now what you will do? You will put B by A here, and you will get the answer, because this is your time. 200 into 3 by 5, it will be after 120 minutes from this point, that is 2 hours, they will be at their respective ends. So when you will add 2 hours in 220, it will become, friends, 4 hours. It will become 420. Again, what is the shortcut here, friend? Shortcut is when two bodies are moving from opposite direction, then like most of students they have given, we have to take, this is 200 minute, this is 72 minute, moving at 11, 220, this is 108, 72 minute. So what you will do? Square root of the question. Since the question is, what do these vehicles reach the destination? Because after crossing they reach at the same time. So we will take the square root of this. What is the square root of 200 into 72? It will be 14400, which will equal to 120 minutes. So when two bodies are moving from opposite direction, meet at certain point, after meeting they take same time, then you will have to find the geometric mean of both the times. Clear? Square root of 200 into, like 4-5 students they have already mentioned, square root of 200 into 72. And this concept can be useful in, friends, various questions. In various questions you can apply. When two bodies are moving from opposite direction, meet at certain point, after meeting they take same time. This is the important thing. Exactly at the same time is the important thing. Then square root of both the timing. Clear, friends? Very important concept. Aniket, we can take root of 128 into 72. From where we got 128, Aniket? I'm not able to clear. Aru, root part means this is the time, 11 to 220, 200 minutes. This is the time, 108 to 220, 72 minutes. And we have to take the under root of these both the timings, 200 into 72. This is the timing we have to add in 220. Aniket, 3 hours 20 minutes means not 128. It is 200 minutes. 3 hours 20 minutes in 1 hour, Aniket, 60 minutes. So 60 minutes into 3, 180. Clear? Now move to next question, friends. So you have to learn these concepts so that you can do the questions frequently. Done the detailed discussion over here. Again, those who want to see, they can see in the video on YouTube. Okay. In a kilometer race, A gives B and C start of 26 meter and 42 meter. Apurv, just again see the video and then you will know. Because again, if it will take so much time in one question, Apurv, then it will be a very hectic schedule. Anshika, you can find it on YouTube after 2-3 days. On YouTube, friends, all the videos or all the live lectures are on YouTube. Like on numbers, geometry, TSD, it is open to all. Vamsi has come with third option, 50. No, Aniket, everything is free. Every video is free. Mannat 48, Prabhakar 50, Simon 50, Shivan 50. Very basic question. But most of students, they are afraid of the term race. Sir, we are not aware about the question of races. Second option, second Akshay, Shubham 48, second option. You are not doing it right, friends. 48. Answer is 50. Now, hardly this question should require 1 to 2 minutes after reading. Now see, friends, those who are not able to solve. Races of kilometer. In 1 kilometer, how many meters are there? 1000 meter race. A gives B and C a start of 26 meter and 42 meter. That means what I is saying, A, B, C, A has to run 1000 and when A is giving a start of 26, that means B will run 974 and C will run 958. 1000 minus 42, 1000 minus 42, 1000 minus 26. Is it clear? When A crosses the finishing line, when A has covered 1000 meter, what is happening over there? B is 14 meter behind him. That means B is already on 974, but B is again 14 meter behind. That means B have run 974 minus 14, 960. A has run 1000, B has run 960, and C is 46 meter behind him. That means again we have to deduct 46. So 8 minus 6 is 2, 912. These are the distances they have covered. A have covered 1000. B have covered 960 and C have covered 912. Now question is, how much start can B give C in a kilometer race? That means now comparison between B and C. Can we say if B is running 960, then C is running 912? So what is the difference of 960 and 912? It is 48. So you can make unitary method. You can apply not Simon 48. Just see, it is in a kilometer race. Now 48 is a 960 meter race. In 960 meter race, B can give C 48 meter start. So in 1000 meter race, B can give C 48 over 960 into 1000. So it should be 50. Those who have given answer as a 50 is the right answer. Simon, difference is 48, but this difference is of in a race of 960. Aniket, why 46 from C? Because it is given C is 46 meter behind him. After giving a start of 42, initially A is saying to C, just you can be ahead of 42 meter in a 1000 meter race. So that means C is standing at the distance of 958. C has to run 958 while A is run 1000. But again C is behind 46 meter. That means effectively when A has covered 1000, C has covered 912 and B has covered 960. After that we had applied. Clear, Niket? No? Simply friends, question is A is running 1000, B, he has given a start of 26 meter. That means B has to run 974. This is the meaning of this. A will run 1000, B will run 974 and C will run 958 because A has given a start of 42 meter. After that again they have not run this. B is 14 meter behind. That means B has effectively run 960 and C has effectively run 46. So this is the final. Clear? A has run 9000, B has run 960, C has run 912. So after that you can apply unitary method because comparison between B and C. In 960 meter race, B can give C a start of 48 meter. 960 minus 912. So in 1000 meter race, how much start he can give to C? So now move to next question. You can see video again. It's a easy question, friends. Now this is a good question on again races. Okay, Vamsi and Shubham have covered the answer. 220, 220. Aniket, if your basics are clear, then you can do it very sharp. You should know what are the meaning of the question. 1200 meter race, A wins by 120 second, A and C. You have to apply the logic also. Yashika 220, Srishti 220. Again, those who are not aware, first of all, friends, you should know one thing. Yeah, Avnish, there is a basic videos on YouTube, TSD, and some important questions of TSD are there also. Now, those who are not aware, they should know one thing. If I say A can give B a start of, what do this mean? A can give B a start of 4 second or 20 meter. This is the important line which is using in this. A can give B a start of 4 second or 20 meter. What does it mean, friends? Those who are not aware, please. That means A is saying to B, just you can run 4 second or you can be ahead of 20 meter. That means B, in what A is assuming that in 4 second B will run 20 meter. So it will be B speed, friend. It will be B speed equal to 5 meter per second. The meaning of this line, A can give B a start of 4 second or 20 meter. It takes 4 seconds to cover 20 meter, yes. So it is the speed of B, not the speed of A, because A is saying to B, either you can be ahead of 20 meter or you can run for 4 seconds. So this thing is applying over there. Clear? Now see that how we can apply. A and B run a race of 1200 meter. A wins by 120. Who is winning? A. A is winning by 120 seconds. It is given time from B. Then A and C runs a race. Then A is running race with C, same, and A wins by 540 meter. Here it is given 540 meter. B and C runs a race of 1200 meter and B wins by 60 seconds. Now here it is given B and C are running the race and B is winning by 60 seconds. Now, like in reasoning, you can find the correlation. A is winning from B with 120 seconds, B is winning with C from 60 seconds. Can I say A can win with C by 180 seconds? 120 plus 60. Here it is time is known 120 seconds. Here distance is known. A can beat C by 540 meter. Same question which already I've told you. So that means either A can give a B a start of C a start of 180 second or 540 meter. So what is the C speed, friends? C speed will be equal to 540 divided by 180. That means 3 meter per second is the speed of C. Yes, 540 divided by 120. Same question. A can give C a start of 180 second or 540 meter. So C will take how much time to cover the race? Race is of 1200 meter. So C's time will be equal to 1200 divided by 3 equal to 400 second is the C time. So what is asking? A time. So that means what is the difference? 180. So 400 minus 180, A will take 220 seconds because A is giving a lead of 180 second or 540 meter. Is it clear to everyone? Clear, friends? Same line. This is very important line. A can give B a start of 20 second, 4 second or 20 meter. So same thing is applying. Initially A and B, then A and C, then B and C. Like from reasoning, after got 400 seconds, this 400 seconds is the time of C. What they are asking? Examiner, A takes to complete the race. So A has given a 180 second lead to C. So that means A will take 180 second less than C. So there's no need to write all these things. If you are good in calculations, you can do these things orally, but your basic should be clear. Like in the last slide I have told you. Clear? Now next question is very important. Good question, but students just read, make equations, read question carefully. 2 men left simultaneously, 2 places A and B. Shivam have come with the answer. Vamsi has come with the answer. No, we can't assume. We have to find Aniket. For this question, there is again a shortcut. Vamsi and Shivam, do you aware of the shortcut? Because I have already done all these things in a TSD video. In advanced video, I have done 6-7 questions. Yeah, Vamsi. So if you will do it by equation, it will be very lengthy. Because this type of questions can be asked in various competitive exams. When we are covering 3 distances, total distance covered are 3, friends. If you will see logically, total distance covered are 3. You should know how to make equation also, because every time you are not aware about the shortcuts, you should know how to make equation. Then by options also you can go through the answers. Yashika, it's lengthy if you will make equations. Friends, should I solve? Initially I will tell you method, after that, or you will try. Should I solve, friends? Tell me. Now see, friends. Okay, just take 1-2 minutes more. Yeah, she is 45. Now I am solving, friends. Just see. 2 men left simultaneously, 2 places A and B. There are 2 places A and B. One of them left A for B and the other B for A. Both travel with their own uniform velocity. Speed is same. Having arrived at the destination, when A will reach B, then they will turn back without stopping and turn to their starting point. First time they met on their onward journey, 18 km from B. That was here, it is the first meeting. I will write this distance is 18 from B. Clear? Right now I am making equation. After that I will tell you straightway how you can do. That means first time they are meeting 18 km from B. The second time on the return journey, they 9 km from A. It is 9 from A. That means the total, friends, now see, the total distance covered here is, first time they will see A will cover this much, B will cover this. This is one distance they have covered. After that A will go there, B will go there. Then they will return back. And this is the second meeting. So total distance covered is 3, 1, 2, 3. Total distance covered is 3. Friends, whenever we are covering 3 distance, just note it down. I am now writing a shortcut. After that I will explain the equation. When we are covering 3 distance, then the middle distance will be equal to difference of both the distance, 18 minus 9, and then double of this into 2. Difference of 18 minus 9 into 2. You will find middle difference. And 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 into 2 will be 18. So this distance will be, friends, 18 middle distance, and total distance will be 45. 18 plus 9, which is 45. Rajiv, only this will work when both the persons are living simultaneously. You can find this question there is a river, from both end two boats started simultaneously. First time they met 200 meter from one end, and after 15 minutes they met for the second time 50 meter from other end. What is the length of the river? Again they are asking distance, or they can ask you in the form of swimming pool. From the two opposite corners, two divers dive. First time they met this meter from this, and then second time. Whenever we are covering three distance, middle distance will be double of this. Difference and double. Yeah, Pranshu. And Ajay Kamarani's approach will be, you have to make equations. Now right now I will make equation also, so that you can aware what is the equation. See, A, B, first time they are 18, second time they are 9. Let take this distance as x. That means they started simultaneously. That means in a time A has covered 9 plus x, and speed of A, I can take A. In distance of speed is time. In this time B has covered 18 upon B. So I will write A as the speed of A and B as the speed of B. After that A will move there. 18, then return plus 18 plus x. That means 18 plus x divided by same speed A. In this time B will covered, B is here, B will go x plus 9 plus 9. B will cover x plus 9 over B. Equation forming. First equation is that they started simultaneously. We can equate time. Distance A has covered 9 plus x divided by A. What is the A? Speed of A. Distance speed is time. What is B? Speed of B. Clear? After that A will go there from this point, because A is here. A will go 18. Again come 18. Come x. For second meeting, 18 plus x divided by A, same speed. X plus 9 divided by B. And now you have to put A and B over here. Here the 9 plus x over 18 is equal to A by B, and you will put values of A and B here, and you will make quadratic equation, and after that you can find the values. It will be a very lengthy process. Clear, friends? After that you have to solve. I think that you can solve this. I am not solving this equation. These are the values of A and B. These are the value of A is 9 plus x, B is 18. Put A and B here. After that quadratic will be there, and then you can solve. But again, this you have to remember this shortcut if you really want to solve this. Clear, friends? Clear, friends? Now we are moving to next question. Again, if you really want to see it, then you can see it on YouTube easily. Now next question is, A and B start run at a race at the end of 8 minutes when A has run 1200 meter. Very again basic question. All these questions are from, you can see old papers of CAT, ZAT, FMS, IIFT. In some questions data are changed, friends. You have to see time into speed is distance. What is given, relative speed. Same three formulas are using, but again how you have to use it is totally your practice, or you can say it's totally your exposure. Yeah, Aniket, it's a question of language. This question I have taken from one of the exam. So same language was there. Outstripped B by 200 meter. So you have to see when A has run 1200, then B has run 1000. That means A have beaten a B by 200 meter in 1200 when A has run. But he fall down. Though he loses ground by accident, and for the rest of course makes, and you have to see the speed. What are their speeds? After that you can apply the. No, Aniket, not from CAT. I think this is from the XLRI. Shubham has come with answer 42. Shubham. Aditya 42. Now let's see. Most students should also come with the answer. Please solve. Find the speed of A initially. Find the speed of B. Then you have to see. Yeah, Aniket, if you will solve previous year paper thoroughly, then it will be useful. Ajay has come with answer 48. Afia 42. Most of the students, they are coming with 42. 42, Shubham and all those Pranshu. are not is not a right answer. Aniket, sometime data is changed, language is changed. I have already told in most of the session that go through CAT bulletins thoroughly. Last 18 years, believe me, 30-40% paper can be there. Same questions in a different format, same formula of geometry. You can go through bulletins, then you will see really. Vamsi 58. Yeah, Aniket, from 1990 to 2008, 18-19 year. Vamsi 58. Do you think it is the right answer? 58. Aniket, you can see on Bullseye website actual CAT. It is under actual CAT. Aniket, 2008 onward, it is only memory based, because after 2008 the paper is on online, so no paper is given to the students after 2008. Go through Bullseye website, Aniket. You can find actual papers, CAT actual papers. Now friends, should I solve? I think Shubham 58, Vamsi 58. Shubham and Vamsi, do you read the question carefully? How long did the race last? So 58 is the time after what? Now I am explaining, friends. Just see. Yeah, Simon has come with the answer. 66 is the right answer, Simon. Simon, do you solve it? Have you solved, Simon, or you are just guessing? Because 42, 50, 58, 66, yeah, solved. Yeah, very good, Simon. Now just see, friends, see. A and B start run a race at the end of 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, when they have run for 8 minutes, A has run 1200 meters. That means A speed, distance is given 1200, time is given 8. What is A speed, friends? A speed will be 1200 divided by 8. It will be 150 meter per minute. 1200 divided by 8, because in 8 minutes A has run 1200 and has beaten, outstripped means beaten B by 200 meter. That means B speed will be, friends, B speed 1000 divided by 8. There is no need to write all these things, but again, those who are not aware, I have to write for those students. You can do it so orally. 8 minutes 1200 divided by 8, 150, 1000 divided by 8, 125. He falls, he loses ground by accident. Rest of the course makes 30 meter a minute less. Now after that, what is the A speed? A speed 150 minus 30, that means 120 meter per second, reduced by 30 meter. He comes in only 45 seconds behind B. How long did the race last? Now friends, see here, we know speed, we are not aware of the time. And we are aware of the distance. Speed into time is distance. Now here I am writing equation. What is B speed, friend? 125. Anika's outstripped means beaten by 200 meters. Now Simon, it will be 120 meter per minute. Okay, sorry, per minute, 120 meter per minute. Now B is running. After that, let race last for T minute. 125 into T with the speed of 125. In T time, B will run 125 into T minus A will run 120 into same time T. And how much distance B have covered in this T time? Because initially B was 200 meter behind, so B have covered 200 plus, and now A comes 45 seconds behind B. That means in 145 seconds A will run 45 by 60 into 120. That means 90. So B has covered 200 plus 90 in this time. This is the equation. Yeah, 66. Again I will repeat. This equation will be very useful in most of the cases in various questions. After that, when A has fallen, race lasts for T minute. In T minute, B will run 125 into T. Speed into time will be distance. This is speed of B. This is speed of A. Because they are running in same direction, that is relative. It will be minus is equal to 200, because B is 200 meter behind. That means B has won the race. B has covered 200 plus 90. How 90? Because A comes 45 seconds behind B. So in 45 seconds, A will run 45 by 60 into 120. I've covered it minute 90. So that means B have covered this 290. So 5T is equal to 290. So T will be 58. This 58 is the not a right answer. This 58 they have covered after the fallen. That means the total race lasts for 58 plus 8. 8 minutes initially they have run. That means total race lasts for 66 minutes. This is very important equation. In one line you can solve the question, friends. 125 into T, speed into time is distance, minus 120 into T, and B has covered 200 plus 90 because initially he was 200 meter behind. So B has covered those 200 plus 90. This 90 because in 45 seconds A will run 45 by 60 into 120 because A speed is 120. No, Aniket, there is no trick. Simply this is the equation which we have to learn how we can write. Speed into time is distance. Otherwise, it will be very lengthy if you write another way. No shortcut. This is a shortcut, friend. Clear, Vamsi? Last you have given 58. This 8 minutes you have not added because total race. How long did the race last? It lasts for 66 minutes. 125 with the speed of 125 into T time. B will run this. 120 with the speed of 120 in a T time. A will run this. This is speed of B. This is speed of B. This is speed of A. Speed into time is distance, and total distance we have covered is 200 plus 90. Now move to next question. After traveling, Aniket 200 B is initially Aniket B was initially beaten by 200 meter, and in the last he has won by 45 seconds. You can go through videos, online video, Aniket. 2-3 days video will be there. You can see at your own place. You can spend 1 hour, 2 hours. Now Aniket, solve this question after traveling 40 kilometers. 2-3 times these type of questions have come in CAT, 3-4 times. But again in direct applications are there. Aniket, in 45 seconds A will run. A speed is 120 meter per minute. In 45 seconds, 45 by 60 into 120, Aniket. There are 4-5 videos on time speed distance on YouTube. Basic videos, in basic videos I have covered all the things from basic level. 20 minute videos are there. And then there's advanced video also. In advanced videos we have covered 6-7 good questions. So if you are aware, then no Rahul, 120 is not a right answer. Sin 20 km divided by 1 by 5 equal to 100. Apurva Jain, I am not aware whether you can download. I think that you have to see. You have to watch online. Again this concept, now I will explain. This concept is, you can apply this concept in various questions. Now see how we can apply. After that you will know shortcut. The answer will be 100, how you can find. Now question says, after traveling, see friends, after traveling 40 km, train meets with accident. Now let's assume speed is x km per hour. Speed is x km per hour. After that, reduce to 3/4. That means now this distance he has traveled at a speed of 3/4 of x, due to which it is late by 38 minutes. I am not writing an equation. We will apply the concept of average in most of the question typical, especially in ZAT. Initially you can see auxiliary paper was used to be very tough, and these type of questions come to be in a block. So you should know equations, how we can make. Then second statement is, had the accident happened 60 km ahead, this distance 60 km ahead, 60 km ahead from the first point of accident. That means from here to this point, train will go with a speed of x km per hour. After that, 3/4 of x, and it is led by 26 minutes. Clear, friends? Then now you can make equation. You can see from this area, initially it is x km per hour, this is 3/4 of x. So there is a difference of 12 minutes. In which area? In this 60 km, friends, in this 60 km. So you can make equation 60 distance upon speed is 3/4 of x, 60 km, because Aniket here it is written, had the accident happened 60 km from the first point of accident, not from starting. had the accident happened 60 km from the point of accident, then 60 upon 3/4 of x minus 60 upon the speed x is equal to difference. Distance upon speed is time. It is given 38, it is given 26, it is in minute, divide by 60 r. So you have to learn this equation. Middle distance 60 upon 3/4 of x minus 60 upon x is equal to difference of two timings, 38 minus 26. So it will be 4 will be there in up here. It will be 80 upon x. It will be 80 upon x minus 60 by x is equal to 12 by 60, which is 1 by 5. So answer will be 20 by x equal to 1 by 5, friends. So x will be 100. X will be 100. So what we have to learn, friend? We have to simply see, friends, middle distance. This is 40. See, had the accident occurred, happened 60 km ahead from the point of accident. This is 60. Initially x 3/4 already explained, 38 minute, then this point, then 3/4 26. So middle distance is friends 60 upon reduced speed 3/4 of x minus 60 upon original speed is equal to difference of two timing, 38 minus 26, and we have to see unit. Clear? We have to careful. Had the accident happened 60 km ahead, or had the accident happened 60 km from the starting point? If it is starting point, then we have to take it 20. Then answer will be different. Aniket, when you will read all this question 2-3 times, because time, speed, distance, time and work races, all these are very important chapters for CAT and ZAT. Very important question for CAT and ZAT for good B school institutes. So if you are aware, then within 10 to 15 seconds you can solve this. Otherwise, under time pressure, sometime it is not possible to make equations. Okay, so just read 2-3 times, then you will know difference 38 minus 26. Now next question is, Gaurav, how to find that total distance? This type of question, distance. Gaurav, simply as you are aware, walking at 3/4 of usual speed, a man is 20 minutes late. What is total time taken? What is usual time taken? Have you done these type of questions, Gaurav? Walking at 3/4 of usual speed, a man is 10 minutes late. Then you can find time. Speed is there. Multiply time into speed. Distance will be there. Okay, Gaurav? Now, very basic question, friend. Just read. Don't afraid by seeing circular motions. P and Q are running around a circular track of length 200. Very basic question. Very basic. Yes. You can find these type of questions exam also, friends. Basic question. But again, main thing is your temperament, your attitude under time pressure. How much anxiety is there? If you are afraid, if you are negative that time, then you will skip this type of questions. Otherwise, very basic questions. You can go through CAT bulletins. You can find some questions. Typical questions are there on TSD. Some very basic questions, very basic concept. Opposite direction, two bodies, same direction, relative speeds. Yeah, answer is 26. Now see those who are not able to solve. P and Q running along a circular track. This is circular track. P and Q in opposite direction. Suppose P is running here, Q is running here. You should know the basic funda. What is speed of P initially? P is 10 meter, Q is 40 meter. Whenever they meet, P speed double. First time, after how much time they will meet? Distance is 400. 400 upon 50. After 8 seconds, they will meet for the first time. After that, P speed double. It will be, now for second time, P speed will be 20. Q speed will be half, 20. So that means 400 divided by 20 plus 20. After 10 seconds, they will meet for the second time. Then it will be 40, it will be 10. Again, initial same case for third time, 400 divided by 50. It will be 8. So answer will be 8 plus 10 plus 8. It will be 8 plus 10 plus 8 will be 26 seconds. They will meet for the third time. Very basic question. Speed is given, distance is given, we have to find time. Now, next question. Again very good question. Those who are aware, they can solve easily. Shivam have come with the answer. I think Shivam, you have done this type of question initially. Shivani 132. Shivani, have you done this type of question initially, or have you seen video? Shivani, you have seen video? Okay, good. Because I have covered this type of question in video. So I think that you have applied straight away formula. Shivani and Shivam, do you know the process? How we can find this? Why all these things will be cancelled? Okay. Yeah, Vamsi 132. Again, you can find direct these type of questions. Yeah, Vamsi shortcut. I think that you have seen the videos, or you have solved this Vamsi 132, because it can take a lot of time to solve. Yeah. Early time by late time. Good. Now friends, yeah, Shubham, always applicable after traveling. Now what is the shortcut? Then I will tell you how we'll make equation. You can write formula distance traveled. What is shortcut? Distance traveled upon remaining equal to early by late. Early time by late time. Early time upon late time. This is the gist of this question. What is the distance traveled after traveling 80? You can apply 80 upon remaining x is equal to what is early? If you have 20 minutes and late 13. So that means 20 into 4 is 80. So x will be 52. So x is the remaining distance. What is asking total distance? 80 plus 52 will be 132. Shivani, you can see video on YouTube after 2-3 days. Just see this question, very important question. I will make equation how this is happening, because if the questions are in a block, then equation we have to know equation, because sometimes they ask after traveling further 40 km speed reduce. Now why this will happen? Just see, after traveling 80 km, this is 80. If speed is x, speed increases 7 and it is in scheduled time. I am not writing an equation. I will just write the gist of average, which portion. Had he traveled the whole distance at increased speed, that means this 80 he has covered with x plus 7, and this x plus 7 he will be early by 20 minutes. Now you can see, friends, here the distance is same and speed is same, so there is no difference of time. He is early by 20 minutes. Why he is early by 20 minutes? Because in this 80 km area, which he have covered with x and which has covered with x plus 7. So what is the equation? 80 upon x minus 80 upon x plus 7 is equal to 20 by 60. Aniket, I will show you initially. Just see equation. 80 divided by x. Distance by speed is time. Distance speed is time, and difference is 20 minutes. Again, had he traveled the whole distance, this x at original speed, this 80 with the speed of x, and this I can assume this distance c kilometer with the speed of x. Now you can see in this area there will be no difference, because he is initially traveling by x, again this by x. Now in this area there will be a difference, c kilometer, traveling by x plus 7. So c upon x minus c upon x plus 7 is equal to 13 by 60. So from first equation, this is first equation, this is second equation. Take 80 as a common. Take 80 as a common. 80 in bracket 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 7 is equal to 20 by 60. In second equation, take c common. 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 7 is equal to 13 by 60. Divide these both equation, friends. Divide this 60, this will be cancelled. So we are remaining with distance traveled, like formula. 80 upon c is equal to 20 upon 13. Okay, Kuldeep, why 80 upon x plus 7? Kuldeep, initially you can see this 80, because this distance he has traveled with x plus 7. This distance 80 km he is traveling with x plus 7, and this 80 he is traveling with x. So that means, so that's why he is early by 20 minutes. So 80 distance upon speed is time, distance upon speed is time. So this time difference is 20 minutes. Clear, Kuldeep? Then so that's why I am telling you equation. Then no formula will be used. We have to make the equations. So that's why I am telling you this will only apply, Shubham, when one is early, other is late. One is early, other is late. So distance traveled upon remaining equal to early by late. So this will be 52, and what is C here? Remaining distance. So total distance will be 80 plus 52. So this is the equation. Clear? Now next question. Again, old question of cat, but data is changed. Aniket, in video you will see, just time we are running out of time, so just solve this. Aniket, please, because other students they are getting disturbed. So you can see video, Aniket, please. Just read this question. Two stations A and B. Aniket, the last slide you can see. This one, Aniket, same thing. Distance traveled upon remaining equal to early time by late time. Okay, now Aniket, I'm moving forward. Okay, friends, come with the answer. Two stations A and B. A train start from A. Vinay has come with second option. Yeah, Shubham. One train 7 hour, other train 5. Apurva, it will be on some videos on YouTube, some are on hitbullseye.com. On YouTube again you have to open Hitbullseye. Friends, do you aware about the shortcut of this question? Again, state if the data is tricky one. I have already explained this in a video. Now initially I will make equation, after that I will tell you how you can solve it orally. Now I think the most of students they have done with the question. There are two stations A and B. A train starts from A at 3 p.m. and reaches station B at 10 p.m. and that from 5 and reaches at 10. At what time? Now see friends, there are two stations A and B. I'm writing equation initially, after that we will make shortcuts. A and B, one train is moving at 3 p.m. reaching at 10 p.m. other is moving at 5 p.m. and reaching at 10 p.m. So friends, distance is D. Initially I am making equation. No length of station is given. You can take Aniket D. This train is moving with speed. This train is taking time. How much time, friends? From A station 7 hours. This train is taking 5 to 10, 5 hours. So speed of A, station A, D upon 7, and speed of station B, can I say D by 5? Distance by speed is time, distance by time is speed, distance by time is speed. This is taking 5 hours, this is taking 7 hours, D by 7 and D by 5. Okay friends, equation. Because why I am telling equation, because in some questions there is no direct shortcut. You should know how to make equations, because if language is changed, direction is changed, then we should know process also, friends. So now again same funda, we know speed. We can take, let they meet after T time from station A. That means in T time this train with run D by 7, speed is D by 7 into T, plus this train is moving at 3, this is moving at 5. That means this train will move from station B 2 or less with the speed of D by 5 into T minus 2. When they will meet, friends, when they will meet, distance covered will be equal to D, and you have to solve this equation. You have to solve this equation. dt by 7 plus dt by 5 minus 2d by 5 equal to d. After that, what you will do? You will make dt by 7 plus dt by 5 equal to d plus 2d by 5. It will be 5 dt plus 7 dt. It will be 12 dt by 35 is equal to 7d by 5. dd will be cancelled. So t will be equal to 7 by 5 into 35 over 12. So it will be 49 by 12 t, which will be equal to 4 1 by 12 hour from this point. So 4 1 by 12 means, what is 4 1 by 12? 1 by 12 into 60. It will be 4 hour 5 minute. We have to add 4 hour 5 minute, in which 3 p.m. So it will be 7 5. The train will cross. Again I will tell you trick, friends. Now this is the equation. There are a number of ways, 2-3 ways are there. You can take LCM also. But again friends, if the time is in a, like one train start at 7:13, other start at 8:15, then it will be very tricky. Now what is the method? What is the trick over here is, now you can write trick here. We know, again I will take a new page. Now trick is, friend, 3 10 5 10. We know the time. Time is, this train is taking 7 hours, this train is taking 5 hours. Is it clear to everyone? Yeah, Vamsi, we can say 7 hour 5 hour. Now speed and time has got inverse relation. So what is the ratio of their speed? 5:7. Time is given 7 and 5. Friends, speed is 5:7 because time and speed has inverse relation. Now only in this trick what we have to remember, this train is moving at 5, this is moving at 3. I will assume that at 5 this train will be here. There is no need to calculate any distance. We will assume this train moving from station A, which train which is moving earlier is at here. After 5, these both train will move toward each other. So ratio speed is given 5:7. It will be 5 by 12. By 12, 5 plus 7. This 5 plus 7. 5 by 12 into these things you have to remember. This train will take how much time, friends? 7 hours. 2 hours is covered. Forget 2 hours. Remaining time is 5 hours. This remaining time 5 hours you have to multiply here. Remaining time 5 hours you have to multiply here and you will get straightaway answer. 25 by 12 hours after 5. 25 by 12 hours after 5 they will be meeting. 25 by 12. That means 2 hours to 1 by 12 into 60. After 2 hours 5 minutes they will be meeting. Speed, again I will repeat, friends, again I will repeat. Speed, time is given 3 to 10, 7 hours. Again it is given 5 hours. Speed is inverse of time 5:7. Speed is inverse of time 5:7. After that what you will do? 5 by 12. 5 by 12 into 5. Why this 5? This is remaining time. The journey of the train which started early was 7 hours. This train has spent 2 hours. Forget this 2 hours. Remaining time of this train 5 hours. Multiply by this and you will get the answer. Again I will take another page. We will do another example. Very important concept which you can apply in a train when towards moving from opposite direction. Again you have to tell the answer. 5, 10, 6, 9. At what time they will cross? Again ratio of time will be 5:3. This will take 5 hours. 5 to 10 this will take 3 hours. Speed ratio is 3:5. Same. Speed ratio 3:5. This is moving at 6. At 6 it will be here. Now remaining time is 4 hours. So 3 upon 8, 3:5, 3 by 8 into this 4. You multiply, you will get the answer. After 1.5 hours, 3 by 2. And you will add 1.5 where? In 6. 6 plus 1.5. 7:30 the train will cross each other. Now I think that you have understood the question. There are two stations A and B. How 6? Gaurav, I've made the question. There are two trains. Train A start at 5 a.m. reaches at 10 a.m. Station B, train start at 6 a.m. reaches at 9 a.m. At what time they will cross? Change the data so that you can understand. How 6 at this 6, because this train is moving at 6, Gaurav. So I have to see at 6 this train will be there. This 6, Gaurav. Okay, now move to next question. Monkey tries to send a grease pole 40 meter high. Very common question in most of the exam. 3 meter in first minute, slip down 1 meter in the alternate minute. Continues to send in this fashion. How long does he take to reach the top? Rajiv has come with answer 39 minutes. Okay. Shubham 39. You are getting it exactly answer 39. All of four of you. 39. Pranshu. Kshitiz has come with 38. But again one choice is given in this question. None of these. None of these. Yeah, Vamsi. What should the actual answer, Vamsi? Aniket has come 38, 37, 39. Now see, friends, answer is none of these. Now question is, he sent 3 meter in first minute and slipped down 1 meter in alternate minute. Now just see, this pole is 40 meter high. In first minute monkey jumps 3 meter. In 38 minutes 40 seconds. So none of these should be the answer, because when none of these is given, then it should be none of these. 3 meter in first minute, 1 meter slip in second. That means in 2 minutes, 2 meter in 2 minutes. So we have to see in 36 minutes monkey will be at 36 meter. So in 37 minutes his jump will be 3 meter. So in 37 minute, 37 he will be 39 meter. Then 38 he will be fall back by 1 meter. So that means in 38 minute he will be 38 meter. 38 minute. Clear? 38 meter. Now in 38 minute, 38 meter. Now distance is 2. Distance is 2. Speed of a monkey is 3. So time will be 2 by 3. So answer should be, real answer friends, 38 2 by 3 minute. So none of these should be the answer. Okay, if the choices are 36, 37, 38, 39, then you can mark 39 as the answer. But again, if none of this is given, we have to mark actual answer, friends. Okay, friends. Now we have done a lot of concept, friends. Again, I will request you that just go through CAT bulletins, friends. Already those who are not aware of the CAT bulletins, you can open Bullseye website. In the website, you can find the bulletin in the form of actual CATs from 1999 to 2008. So you can see in those bulletins which type of questions are there in the exam regarding your time, speed, distance, races, your time and work, your numbers, algebra. Clear? And I've taken all this question from the various institutes, various exams like XAT, CAT, FMS initially used to be independent paper. 1-2 CAT question was there. So if you are aware about the tricks, then you can do it very easily. You can save your time, precious time, 5 to 7 minutes. Otherwise, okay. So important chapters are, Aniket, your numbers, algebra, geometry, TSD, time and work. These are the 5-6 important areas. Application part is there. CAT bulletin sticker you can find on Bullseye website under CAT real mock, real CAT papers, actual CAT papers. So you can see questions, and then you will have an idea which type of questions are there in CAT exam. Clear, friends? Okay, thank you friends.